like a mouse in a boat, drifting on an endless ocean. Our love snared on the coral reef of life, so shipwrecked and alone, tossed and turned by the tides of fortune. Where are you now? Drifting out of sight. The sea swells in the storm, heaves us round with all her might. When we departed on the journey of our lives, the forecast they predicted was always gone and fine, but unseen forces gathered darkly off the coast of time. We clung to hope, abandoned love, and struggled for our lives like a mouse